In this video, the mission is to get you the bestseller badge on Amazon. Yes, you heard me right. It's not gonna be easy, but I'm gonna show you one change that you can do right now to your Amazon listing, whether you're selling on Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, or any Amazon marketplace that can help you get closer to getting the bestseller badge. So get a piece of paper, get a pen to take notes, or maybe you want to use your phone. Make sure that you take some notes and let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we work with sellers just like you to launch, expand and grow their business on Amazon in the Middle East. You can find so much information always in the description box of this video, and you can find a way of how you can contact us if you need further help and support. Now, why would you want the bestseller badge? Number one, why not? I'm sure you didn't get started selling on Amazon because you did not want to succeed. If I'm right, if you do want to succeed on Amazon, make sure that you hit the thumbs up for this video. Number two, the Amazon bestseller badge can help you dramatically increase your sales. Think about it this way. If you're an Amazon customer, you log into Amazon, you type in a particular search term, you scroll down and you find so many products, but one of those products has the bestseller badge. That's certainly going to catch your eye and your attention as a customer. And it might even be the reason why you would purchase a product because Amazon has said it's a bestseller, right? So like I said in the beginning of the video, one small change can help you get the bestseller badge. And that is by changing your category. Yes, you heard me, changing your category. If you are an Amazon seller, you should be familiar with this. If not, please keep watching. On Amazon, when you are listing a product, you're going to select a main category, but you're also going to select several subcategories for your product. By simply changing from one subcategory to another, you might be able to obtain the bestseller badge without increasing your sales. Make sure that the subcategory that you select is also related to the product that you are selling. You don't want to change to a completely different subcategory. The reason why this trick works is because some subcategories have more competition and more sales, i.e., it's going to be harder for you to get the bestseller badge than other subcategories. Let me show you an example. This is an example of a product which is a pet grooming brush on Amazon. If we scroll down, you'll notice that the subcategory of this product is actually dog combs. This is another product that's very similar. It actually has the Amazon Choice badge for the keyword dog comb. But if we scroll down, we'll see that the product is in the bestseller rank, number 2, but for the subcategory cat brushes. Two very similar products, but in different subcategories. Now, how do you change your subcategory? Well, you can do it from the back end of your listing, if possible. If not, you might need to request support from Amazon. This is an example of the back end of a listing. As you can see here in the product details, you have recommended browse nodes containing the main category with all of the subcategories. Then if you click edit, you'll be able, just like you did when you first created the listing, decide on some other potential subcategory and change it. If the change does not occur, then you would probably need to open a case with Amazon Seller Support. Tell them that you made a mistake when you first listed the product and request support with changing your browse nodes into the new subcategory. By the way, if you still have not become part of our Seller Society VIP community, we've officially launched it, and now it's time for you to become a member. It's official. We've released Sellers Society VIP, our platform and community of how we can communicate and interact together. Sellers Society VIP is going to be both in English and بالعربي. For those of you that are interested to be part of a community community where you can share your experiences and learn from others' experiences, specifically everything related to Amazon and specifically for the Middle East region. This community is just for you. And for a limited time, we've opened the community free of charge for anyone that wants to subscribe and be part of the community. So you will find the link in the description box of this video. Step number 2, after changing your category, would be to do a price drop-down strategy, which basically means you want to drop down your price for the next 2 to 3 days to try to generate as much sales as possible. Obviously, also doing external traffic, paid traffic into your listings can certainly help push your sales and get you the coveted bestseller badge. One trick, just 2 steps in order to implement it. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me your questions and comments in the comment section below. Leave me a thumbs up on this video if you haven't already. And consider subscribing if you want tips and tricks like this one to help you grow your business on Amazon. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.